In this video I continue my trip up the coast of Australia in my van, do some flips at the rope swing, go running and much more.
I made it! Good morning everybody, I'm here at the hostel. I slept here tonight because I needed to charge my camera. Now I'm on my way from the hostel. You know what they say, if you hold your breath through a tunnel then you get to wish something. Something, yeah. I'm on my way up to a waterfall, but I got lost after I came out through the tunnel. I don't know why. I really hate big cities. Too many roads everywhere. You get lost. I got lost and then I came across a store called Kohls. It's the biggest and cheapest grocery store here in Australia. Oh, I think I'm gonna buy some chips. I really love chips. Oh, so much to choose from. Oh, I can never decide what chips I'm gonna buy. If I can't even decide that, then how am I gonna be able to decide who I'm gonna marry in the future, for example? Hello, I'm here on a road west from Brisbane. I'm going up to a place called Noosa. But right now I'm driving up in the mountains to go to a national park.
The Great Dividing Range is a mountain range stretching for 3,000 kilometers from the southeast to the northeast part of Australia. I was passing by the Great Dividing Range and the incredible mountains and scenic landscapes. I parked my van on the side of the road to enjoy the scenic views and then kept driving to Gardiner's Falls.
Sign for koalas.
Gardiner's Falls is a tourist attraction located just outside the city of Brisbane. Now it was time to do the rope swing. There are many cool waterfalls up in the mountains in Australia.
Just came back from swimming and now we are about to head to a campground for the night. It's a little bit shitty, but it's free.
We had parked at the camping. I got some snacks and then I was getting ready to do a running workout.
Here we are at one of many free campgrounds in Australia. That's a really good thing actually. If you are planning on traveling Australia or the East Coast, then you can go to free camping spots. Just finished my run. Now I'm doing a little exercise with a flex band that you can buy from litside.com or vacationwilliam.com. You can bring it with you anywhere you go in the world, but it only weighs about 500 grams. Just finished my run. It's been a pretty good day. Can't really remember what I did, but did lots of driving, went to some waterfall, did a workout, and now I'm about to go swimming. Ooh, the farmer is bringing all the cows together over there.
My van was full of pasta and now it was time to make dinner with my friend from Germany. When the sun goes down, you always see a lot of bats. in Australia. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave this video a thumbs up.
Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.